Rambo. Rambo. Sit, sit, sit. No? Okay. What? Rambo. Look, look. Well, we're here, guys. It's Limitless Alley. Limitless Isaiah and Limitless Shane ain't here, but I'm just here with Limitless Rambo. Okay, you scared? Okay. But we're gonna be doing a video with him. Rambo, come here. Oh, yeah, go get him, Rambo. Get him. Well, yeah, guys, like, comment, and subscribe if you like what we're gonna be doing with Limitless Rambo. So, yeah. In here, Poochie Woochie. Rambo, don't try to trip me. Poochie Woochie. But yeah, this is I don't know. Oh, you want to sit in the shade, don't you? No? Yeah. We're not doing anything specific. We're just talking and playing out. But I'm gonna end it here, you guys. Thank you for watching about my awesome dog, Limitless Rambo. Say bye to Rambo. Limitless Rambo. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Rambo. No, you're just gonna eat? Okay. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.